welcome to the Year 3 Grandparents and Special Friends morning. It is wonderful for you to join us for our assembly and chapel today.
I love my grandies. They are special and loving. Grandies are the best. Grandma and Grandpa are funny and give me big hugs. I love them a lot.
The support of grandparents is really important to us. We think that is an extension of our Barker family. And you are part of our Barker family because you have a grandchild with us here at the school. And we love sharing time with the important people in our lives. I hope you took the opportunity in class to have a look around to see some of the things happening and to talk to the kids about the types of things they're doing as part of their learning.